get started with Zoom meetings, first we need to download the application to our desktop. Let's go up to the browser and type in zoom.us/download and hit enter. This will take us directly to the Zoom download page. We're looking to install the Zoom client for meetings. Let's just click on download. Wait for the application to complete downloading. Double click. Follow the prompts online. And there you have it. Zoom is now installed on your system. Now, let's look for the meeting invite we just received in our email to get started with our first Zoom call. Now, let's navigate to the email for your free initial consultation, click on the link, and then look for the Zoom link. Click on that and the browser will open up, prompting you to open zoom.us. Once that opens, the meeting will begin and you'll be able to join the call.
Hi, Stephen. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Great. Welcome to your free initial consultation. My name's Richard from David Sklar Associates. Are you ready to get started?
I am.
Excellent. So what we're going to do today is just get an overall look at your financial situation, get a sense of who you owe, how much you owe, your income, your expenses. Once we have an idea, we can look at the options that are available to you. How does that sound, Steve?
That sounds great.
Great. Let's get started.